Hi everyone, my name is Claire Culbertson and I am from Belgrade, Montana. I have lived in Montana my whole life, so a full 21 years, and I don't think I will probably ever leave. I currently live in Great Falls where I'm a part of the residency project. So I'm doing a full year of teaching rather than just a semester. I'm majoring in elementary education, K through 8, and then I am also minoring in special education, K through 12. Some of my favorite hobbies are tennis. I played tennis my junior year, and then my senior year got cut short because of COVID. I was a volunteer coach for the Belgrade High School tennis team, and then the Beaverhead County High School tennis team as well when I lived in Dillon. I think some of the characteristics that make me stand out compared to new teachers is especially with my special education students, I don't start my lessons out just diving right into them. Instead, I always ask, how was your day? How are you doing? How was your Christmas break? How was your New Year? What do you want to work on for the new year? And they seem to like that. And then we dive into our lesson. I'm also very passionate about teaching. I'm sure like everyone else is in this class. I have high expectations for my students, for my first grade students, and for my special education students as well, because I want them to be successful. So I set the bar pretty high and we just work our way up. I also love the aha moments in the classroom. It's probably one of my favorite things to see is when they finally get it and the light bulb clicks on. And we make a huge deal about that, especially in first grade and special education. We praise them. And then my last characteristic is just being caring and compassionate, and also building relationships with my students. I love them so much. I've already built lots of relationships, and it just makes me smile when they come up in the hallway and give me a hug. My last thing is being patient. I've definitely learned to be patient. That is something that I've worked on, and I feel like I'm there now. It's my last semester, so I'm excited to finish out the semester with all of you, and I hope you have a great semester.